Hey, welcome to Elevate Alpha. Let me ask you something raw and real. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, this isn't who I was meant to be? Like life took a detour and now you're just surviving, not chasing, not building, just breathing. But deep inside, there's still a fire. Maybe it's quiet, maybe it's buried, but it's not gone. And that fire, it's your comeback waiting to happen. So let me ask you, what would your life look like if you stopped waiting and started reclaiming? What if your biggest failure was actually the setup for your biggest rise? And maybe the better question is, what are you so afraid of losing or becoming who you were always meant to be? Listen, I've been there. Rock bottom, not the kind where everyone sees it, but the quiet kind, where you smile on the outside and scream on the inside, where you replay your regrets like a movie you can't pause. You start believing the lie that this is it, that the best parts of you are behind you, that you missed your chance. But that's not the truth. You see, the greatest comebacks in life, they don't start with applause or lightning strikes. They begin in silence, with a decision, a moment when you whisper to yourself, I'm not done. Comfort is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. You weren't born to be a prisoner in your own routine. You weren't meant to live on autopilot, waking up just to make it to bedtime. You have stories left to write, wounds that will become wisdom, and a version of you that's waiting to be reborn. Not because everything's perfect, but because you chose to rise anyway. Here's how real comebacks are built. Psychologically, emotionally, practically. Step 1, break the pattern. Your brain is wired to repeat what's familiar, even if it hurts. That's why you have to disrupt the rhythm. Change your environment. Set your alarm earlier. Say no to something toxic. Small actions, big signals to your brain, we're not staying here anymore. Step 2, forgive the past. Not because it deserves it, but because you do. Regret is the heaviest bag you'll ever carry. Put it down, learn from it, and walk forward lighter. Step 3, rebuild your identity. Don't just set goals, become someone new. Not I want to get fit, but I am someone who honors my body. Not I want success, but I am someone who doesn't give up. Your identity shapes your reality. Step 4, stack small wins. Comebacks aren't made in a day. They're built one step at a time, like bricks in a wall. Drink more water, make your bed, send that email. Every action is proof. I'm not who I used to be. I'm becoming something greater. You ever notice how the sky is darkest just before dawn? That's not just poetic, it's real. When you're at your lowest, it doesn't mean you're finished. It means the chapter is turning. But you have to keep reading. You can't stop at the struggle. You've got to turn the page to redemption. You are not your mistakes. You are not the voice that says too late or too broken. You are a fighter, a dreamer, a force of nature that's been quiet for too long. So tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself one thing. If I gave myself one more honest chance, what could my life become? Not someday, not next year. Now, your comeback doesn't need permission. It needs you. And the first step, hit reset, breathe deep, and whisper it out loud. I'm not done. I'm just getting started. If this stirred something inside you, don't let it fade. Share this, save this, rewatch it when doubt comes back. But above all, rise, because the greatest comebacks, they don't happen to lucky people. They happen to deciders. And I believe you're one of them.